This video is for homework 2, problem 7. And what we have here is it says assume that the random variable x is normally distributed, so that's that nice symmetric bell curve, with a mean of 50 and a standard deviation of 7. Compute the probability. Be sure to draw a normal curve with the area corresponding to the probability shaded. So we want to know which one of these pictures here corresponds to the probability that x is greater than 43. So if you look here, some of these have the mean shaded as well, or the mean actually drawn in as well. So if this number is 43, this graph would be that the probability of it being less than 43, because it's to the left. This is your area all the way to the right of 43, so that's your greater than. And then anytime you have it shaded between two numbers, this would be the probability that x is somewhere between 43 and 50. So that's why they've chosen B, because this is the greater than symbol. It's shaded all the way to the right after 43. Okay, now to find this probability, easiest way, you guessed it, StatCrunch. So there's no link directly here. What you want to do is go to question help and then click in StatCrunch, and that's how you can always access StatCrunch through MyStatLab. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to go to Stat. And we're going to go to our normal probability calculator. So we're going to go to calculators and then to normal. Now what it's going to give us here is it's going to give us the standard normal distribution, which is a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. But we can change that. So if you look back at our problem, our mean is supposed to be 50 with a standard deviation of 7. So we're going to go over here and we're going to change the mean to 50 and our standard deviation to 7. Ta-da! Okay, now we want the probability that x is greater than 43. So we're going to go over here, and we're going to change this symbol to greater than. Now I know this is a greater than or equal to symbol. But when you think about it, the equal to is so marginal, it's not going to be anything different than greater than. So we want greater than, I'm sorry here, 43. So I'll type in 43, click compute, and here is my area. Now they wanted the area rounded to 4 decimal places. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This 3 is right in that 4th decimal place, so the 10,000th place. And to the right is a 4, so we're going to keep that 3 the same. If it had been 5 or above, we would be rounding up. But since it's a 3, we'll keep it exactly as it is. Okay? And I believe that's it for the problem. So if you have any more questions on this one, just let me know.